You know all those times where Mama just says, "Hey, go outside, Anders." So, yeah, nature's fun. Well, we're gonna see what it's what nature's like, okay? Yeah, this will be fun. Wow, would you look at that? An orange on the floor. Nature is so fun. Nature's fun. I love it. Oh wow, would you look at that? A flower. Another flower. A dead flower. Another flower. Another flower. Wow, another flower. Wow, sticks. Wow. Sticks. Wow, unstoppable sticks. Once there was a tree. His name was Anthony. He grew very high. Da-da-da-da-da-dum. Trees are so... Oh my gosh, Mama is right. Nature's so fun.